I wanted to ask you, in this atmosphere, which is your main competitor, do you find? Is it the Congress or the rising Aam Aadmi Party?
To be very honest with you,
Right.
I strongly feel that we are far ahead of both of them. That's
Right,
number
right.
one.
Number one.
And I think Congress as well as the Aam Aadmi Party, they are probably fighting for the second slot. Traditionally, Congress has always been our main, you can say, opponent.
Right.
And right now, in the present situation, it seems that Mrs. Dikshit has probably accepted defeat. Yesterday only she gave a statement that in case she doesn't get majority, she is willing to make a government with the help of Aam Aadmi Party. That is a strong indication of her having conceded defeat.
So who will come second, Aam Aadmi or Congress, according to you?
I think it will be Congress, definitely Congress, but they are probably contesting amongst themselves for the second slot.
So I wanted to, my grandfather used to say in horse racing,
Yes.
in a field of three, always back the outsider. The outsider will win because the main two horses are fighting each other.
Yes.
This is a three-party fight. Three horse races. The outsider is Aam Aadmi. So you two are fighting each other. Will Aam Aadmi race ahead?
I don't see even any remote possibility of that. I think the people of the city, for that matter this country, are also very, very intelligent. I have got great respect for their wisdom. They know that if they have to get rid of Congress, which has not been able to deliver in the last 15 years, and most of their issues and problems remain unresolved, the only solution for them or the only answer for them is BJP.
Why not
And
Aam Aadmi?
they would, you see, Aam Aadmi Party, you may see that more on the television channel and here and there, but we also work on the ground.
Right, right.
And I have been an MLA for 20 years. I have been party president for 5 years. I have seen the whole city. I have been minister for 5 years. I have worked for polio eradication in each and every locality of Delhi. So I can tell you that Aam Aadmi Party, whatever it is more on the TV screen. I don't know why, but the ground reality, its presence on the television channels doesn't match even a bit with the reality on the ground.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Tell me something. In your speeches, you mainly attack the Congress or mainly attack the Aam Aadmi Party?
To be very honest, I don't have to attack anybody because
I mean,
the
criticize.
people of the city, they know jolly well much more than me about the failures and the corruption and the scam of the Congress party. I am only talking about the positive things that I have to do for the city.
Right.
In the last 9 days, we have been talking about the
She wants to give you some mithai.
10 din and 10 irade. And I would like to let the people know about my positive vision.
So let me ask you, in your vision, how will you bring down prices?
There are a couple of things. In Delhi, I have always believed and found that I have always believed and seen on the ground that whenever there is inflation,
Right.
if you go into the root cause of it, you will find some sort of corruption somewhere in the system. Hoarding and many other things. Like recently, we saw a statement by the Maharashtra Chief Minister whereby he said that he had offered to Mrs. Dikshit that we have enough onions, we can give you at reasonable prices any amount that you would like. But she refused to accept the offer.
You would import.
She said she will purchase everything through the middlemen.
So you would, but
I am for thorough transparency in the system, for introducing the highest level of e-governance, e-procurement, and also for ensuring that corruption has to be prevented. We have to make the system so transparent. That's why we talked about Food Prices Commission.
Okay.
They
want you to wave a bit. They want you to wave a bit. Let me ask you, in all your campaigning, I was just asking, who is the main competitor? Is it the Aam Aadmi or the Congress? This time you have
I
three
think
horses.
neither. I think neither anymore.
Who will come second? Who will come third?
I can't predict anything, but obviously looks
Gut feel.
according to the surveys, we are number one, Congress is number two, and Aam Aadmi is number three.
And you get that feel that Aam Aadmi is not much of a threat for you?
I don't think so.
Congress little more.
Obviously, Congress is
Yeah, historically.
yeah.